Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, if this is your first time here, you are welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to my channel. On this channel we talk about skincare, beauty, lifestyle, everything in between. Okay, on this channel we also share recipes, we share beauty tips, we share secrets and formulas and all of that. So if you like skincare, you like creams, you're a skincare junkie, you like to try out products, or you're looking for products for yourself, this is the place to be. Let's get right into this video. Okay, but before I start, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on your way out of this channel. Today's video, we're talking about a product like the description says or the thumbnail says. We're talking about an oil. Okay, now today we're talking about this purple oil. Okay, it's purple oil. It's let me show you guys. Okay, okay, so like I said, we're talking about this purple oil today. Now my the person I buy like cosmetic and things from, I walked into her store one day and there was this lady that came in and they was like, oh, do you have purple oil today? And she was like, oh yes, so finally it has arrived. And you know me now, anything that is buzzing our ear they ground. So I'm like, please, what is this purple oil for? So she explains to me that it's a very good moisturizing oil. You can use it for your body. It can brighten and all of that, you know, now all those many talk they used to say. So I said, okay, no problem, give me this purple oil, let me go and try it out for myself, because we're always, you know, innovating and trying out things. So I got the oil. The oil is 1,000 naira. I got the oil, and I feel like this oil is similar to the way beauty series oil works. Okay, so it's not as concentrated as beauty series oil, but it's similar to the way beauty series oil works. Let me quickly read what is written at the back. Like I always say, before you buy any product, always read what is written on it. It gives you some form of knowledge about what you're about to buy. Of course, they will not list all the ingredients, but at least you have an idea what you are buying. Okay, so here it says um, purple lightening oil provides your skin with a burst of radiance with all the benefits of papaya. With its exfoliating properties, purple oil reduces brown spots, and its regenerating moisturizing properties help smooth the texture of your skin. The complexion is more even, more luminous, and the skin is soft and clean. The ingredients here are glycerin, MPG, water, AHA, kojic acid, vitamin E, and fragrance. It is made in Abuja, Côte d'Ivoire. Okay, papaya with vitamin E, and so many terrible English that they write sometimes on this product. So this is obviously made from Côte d'Ivoire, and of course it is very moisturizing. Now, like I said, I always talk about papaya and carrots, and I always talk about the benefits of papaya. Purple is amazing for the skin. You guys, I was just talking to my mom about this the other day. I'm going to buy fresh purple. I'm going to blend and make my black soap and make my puree for my skin. Papaya is great. Papain, which is the lightening properties or the lightening agent in the papaya, is great for the skin. I put it to you. Blend raw purple and apply on your skin for 2 weeks straight before you have your bath, and come back and tell me what you notice about your skin. Papaya is great for the skin. It is one secret ingredient that people are just beginning to figure out. Some of us we figured it out since, but some people are just figuring it out. Try it on your skin and let me know what you think. Okay, natural products work, but just give it time. Okay, anyways, back to this oil. So this oil is very moisturizing on the skin. Now for someone that is lightening their skin, during the daytime, a lot of people say, they say we should use our cream only in the night, use our cream only in the night. Okay, what can we use during the daytime? This is an option for you to use during the daytime. Okay, in fact, I personally use this during the daytime whenever I'm stepping out, but I don't use it alone. I mixed it with carrot oil and beauty series oil. Beauty series oil is good. Don't use beauty series oil directly on your skin. So as you can see, I have half of it. I've already mixed half of it with my beauty series oil, my carrot oil, and I'm using it on my skin, and it is very good. It is moisturizing. It leaves your skin feeling very, it's not sticky. It's not sticky. It's very moisturizing on the skin. Let me put so you guys can see. So this is my skin. I'm not gonna waste oil. This is it. Do you see how it is? See how lightweight it is? Just apply this on your skin. And yes, it also smells nice. I forgot to tell you guys about that. Now look at that on my skin. Very moisturizing on the skin. Lightweight, absorbs easily, and is great on the skin. You can even be using this with the oil, because some people prefer to use oils than creams, and sometimes some days I fall into that category, but I only fall into that category during the daytime. I'm using the oils during the daytime. It smells great, guys. It smells very, very nice. I put it sometimes, I put it in the lotion I'm using because it's moisturizing on the skin. So yes, guys, this is a new oil that's making buzz in the market. You should actually get this for yourself. It is not a whitening oil. It has papaya and it has kojic acid in it, so it definitely has brightening properties, but it's not a whitening oil. This is more like a moisturizing oil to help just keep your skin radiant and glowing. It will do that. Now mix it with beauty series oil. You can mix it with your other oils, those whitening oils, and you get the results you want. I love this oil. It smells so good. This oil smells very good. Anyway, guys, so you know me now. I'm always here to give you the latest in the beauty industry. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new video. I have lots of products to review for you guys, so turn on that bell, subscribe, and you get first-hand information on what is making buzz in the beauty industry, what to do, what not to do, what works and what doesn't work. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Remember, always watch to the end, because there's always something coming up towards the end of the video, so that you have first-hand information, in fact full details of what this product I'm talking about does on the skin. Okay, so bye.